Okay, this is our project named How So I'm More Than What You Think by
Byron
Manley, Randy Harden, and Patricia Harrison. And I'm going to start over here with the nucleus. And the nucleus and the nucleosis, they are the brain of a cell because they control all the activity, well, the nucleus does. The nucleosis, it's kind of like the reporters of a cell. It transcribes information from the DNA. So this is what it looks like. This is what the nucleus looks like, circular. And inside we have the nucleosis, which is the little circular ball, right? See it? So it looks like. This is what a nucleus does. It controls all the activity, just like people, humans, control all the activity of the planet, right? Because we're big old meanies. We don't want you to do something you're not going to do. And right over here, we got the nucleosis, which is kind of like the news people. It takes in the information from like parades and big old contests and stuff. It turns into a story, and then it tells all the people all about it. And like newspapers, television, stuff like that. So, kind of like how a news. Now right here we have the smooth ectoplasmic reticulum, which looks like a sour straw. I don't like this. Yes. And it works like fire. See if I can get this lit. Might take a minute. But anyway, what smooth ectoplasmic reticulum does is it takes in items like food, energy, and it makes energy out of it. Fire, like it takes in wood, right? And then it puts off heat and different types of energy. See? It's taking in all the little burnable, flammable things off the little thing, and it's putting out energy, and if I put my hand too close to it, I would seriously get burnt. So I'm going to put it down now.
Okay. This is a rough endoplasmic reticulum. It looks like a Twizzler, but it acts like a train network. It packages things and it helps transport it. Okay. Over here now. This is a Golgi apparatus. It takes simple things and makes them more complex, like if I was a chef. I'm making pancakes, but I'm going to add syrup and butter so they can be more delicious. And then it takes this bread, so it won't be just bread, and it turns it into a peanut butter jelly sandwich. This is the mitochondria. It looks like a pine cone, but it acts like a battery. Now, a battery, it helps operate the cell. And it helps charge energy.
Okay, then right here we have the chloroplast. It looks like this. See, Mentos, skewers, all kind of packed together. And what it does is it's the food producers of a cell. So kind of like sunflower seeds. Because sunflower, it takes in all the sun's energy and then it makes energy for us. See? Yummy. And then right here we have the vacuoles. What they do is they store all the food for the cell. They look like this. See how it's storing the water, the energy? It's pretty much a bubble. And it acts like a pantry. You see it has all the food. We got some beans, peanut butter, got some brownies, cake, something. Got some flour, storing all that good food.
Okay, so I have a cytoskeleton. It looks like a straw and it looks like a string, but it acts like a bra, and it acts like the wiring on this trash can to help keep the structure, and this pillow helps keep the structure of this building so it won't fall down on us. Okay, we have a lysosome right here. It looks like this.
It's all layered.
Yeah, like an onion and everything. And then it acts like this. If we throw trash in here, it's decomposer, then it helps.
We put all the worms in here, like apple cores and everything. The worms will break it down, like the lysosomes, and they'll be all mushy. So when we eat that core,
this right here is a centriole. Okay, so let's say Randy cuts her finger off. We need something to stop the blood from leaving her body, so I would wrap this around her, and then I would tie it. And
to help the blood.
Ta-da! The blood will stop cutting, and it acts like a knife because if we wanted to have pizza and we wanted to divide it evenly, the knife would help cut it. Okay.
So like when my finger divides from my hand, the string helps me from not dying. It helps my hand live after I've divided.
Okay, this is a plasma cell membrane. It looks like a broom head, and it acts like a rain boot because the rain boot when it rains, it helps keep the mud from touching our pretty little feet, and it won't make our feet dirty.
The end!
And that's our project.